So, hey guys, today we're going to be doing a review on this really cool Bear in the Big Blue House play-a-song book. And this book was made in 2000. And it's rare, and I mean, maybe it's rare, I'm not sure. But I haven't looked for this in a long time, actually. And anyways, let's see what it says.
Oh, hi there.
And this book was made in 2000. I'm not sure if I already said that or not, because I cannot remember everything. But I remember much stuff. And anyways, let's take a look at the inside of the book and see what it looks like. Anyways, that's all we got for this review, so please subscribe for more content.